Something is wrong. What should we do now? I have an idea.
Oh no!
What happened? Oh my god.
Help me! Help me! Help me! What you did? Help me! Help me! Help me!
Okay.
It looks so scary. Don't worry, I'm here. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, let's go. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Move, move. It looks so scary. Don't worry, I'm here. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, let's go. Okay, we'll get there immediately.
I'm not fine at all. We made it! Thanks! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye-bye!
We have to finish the job with him today. I'm going. What is this? Oh no! Something's wrong!
Me!
Hello? Is anybody here? Stop the car! Hey you! Hey! Hey you! Let's go! Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Whoa! Great! Leave it to me. Be careful. Okay, let's go. It's very dangerous ahead. We have to help him. It looks so scary. Don't worry, I'm here. Hurry up! Hurry up! Come on, let's go! Okay, we'll do it immediately.
Huh?
Come on!
What is going on? Hey, I have an idea. Wow, it's so good.
Go, go, go! I've got an idea. Go, go, go! Whoa! go. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Easy. Let's go home. It looks so scary. Run, run.
Have a good day. I'm going. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Hello. It's nice to see you again. Oh, me too. We have to finish the job with him today. What is this? Run! It's dangerous here!